Ever wondering why many people get pain or injury while doing their job? Even if some of these jobs does not necessarily entail manual labor. Like you just walk up one day and you feel pain to your body and you have no idea why what's going on since you do not remember getting hurt. So keep watching and wonder no more. As in today's lesson, we are going to identify common work-related musculoskeletal disorders, or otherwise known as MSD. These are the common MSD disorders: carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow, de Quervain's disease, neck pain, neuritis, thoracic outlet syndrome, rotator cuff impingement, sciatica, back pain, herniated disc, bursitis, trigger finger, epicondylitis, ischemia, and Raynaud's syndrome. So while most people just pop up some pills and get through the pain, others may actually need to see a doctor, like this one. Most of these symptoms will affect job performance and productivity, but these conditions account for the most reasons on why people miss work. So while you are trying to brainstorm and be confused, the real question is, what are those symptoms that you will feel when you are having these conditions? These musculoskeletal disorders affect the muscles, the nerves, blood vessels, ligaments, and tendons. Symptoms include discomfort, pain, numbness, joint stiffness, tingling sensation, recurrent inflammation, and worse when you feel sharp shooting pain. So why is this happening? What causes these symptoms? Some risk factors associated with MSD, sometimes due to working in awkward postures, like sitting for too long, stuck in one position, forward head posture, slouching, repetitive motion, like typing. As a result of those awkward postures when doing something, those may lead to hand and wrist pain, stiff back, neck and upper back strain, herniated disc as well as shoulder impingement. For people who do manual labor that includes lifting, they are likely to do overexertion, improper lifting, faulty carrying, and which may lead to back pain and muscular pain. Don't forget also that mental stress, work pressure, could lead to body pains. Here are some suggested modifications that you can do for your job. Avoid doing this. This may lead to overexertion and muscular pain, and neck and shoulder pain. Do this instead. These helpers protect your back, shoulder, and hands. Use the push cart. Use the lifter, or have someone help you out. If you or need to pull something, pulling is necessarily not recommended because it could use overuse. Do pushing instead because you use your body more. Some job entails too much bending over, which may cause back discomfort. So do be more upright, like this one, even if you're doing the same job. Other job that entails too much bending also entails when you are cleaning the house. This may lead to back discomfort too. So stand up straight as much as possible, like these two are doing. even when you're vacuuming too. And from time to time, you need to do stretches. Other job may entail repetitive carrying of trays. The waiters and waitresses may lead to wrist discomfort, so you carry the trays using the forearm. And if you are mostly on the computer for too long, you may need to take a stretch break every 30 minutes to 2 hours. So the proper posture when you are on the computer, you need to have the monitor at the eye level. You sit with back support. Your hip and knee at 90 degrees position. That's the hip, that's the knee. Wrist would be in neutral position. And your pelvis in neutral position as well. And make sure the table is as close to your body. So remember, risk factors associated with musculoskeletal disorders are work position and posture, duration of the task, level of required effort, and how often the task is performed. So during your break time, you may want to do some walking, some stretches as well, like these positions. Bending to the side, raising your arm up, or do some bending on your knees too. Or you can just simply relax on the couch. So whatever makes you comfortable during working at home, always remind yourself to change position every now and then. So that's all. Please like and subscribe if you like the channel. And thank you so much for watching.